Crowns for dental use are a typical dental procedure that a lot of people go through to improve the form as well as the size of damaged teeth. Crowns for dental use are utilized to protect a tooth which is suffering from severe damage, like a massive fracture, cavity, or break. Crowns can also be utilized to enhance the look of teeth that are discolored or misshapen. A common concern patients have regarding dental crowns is the length of time they should expect them to last. Although every situation is different and there are a variety of aspects that influence the life of a crown for a dentist, there are general guidelines to provide you with an idea of the expected lifespan. The lifespan of a dental crown usually between 5 and 15 years. But with the right treatment and care, certain crowns may last for a longer time. Important to remember that the materials used in the crown may also impact the longevity of it. Crowns made of porcelain are more susceptible to cracking and chipping when compared with gold or metal crowns. Therefore, they will require replacement often. One of the biggest aspects in determining the length of time the lifespan of a dental crown is the condition of the crown itself. An excellently made, well-fitting crown that is fitted well and is properly placed by a trained dentist will endure longer than one that's inadequately made or fitted. It is important to select a trusted dentist who has experience in restorative dentistry so the longevity of your crown for as long as it can. A third important aspect in the durability of the dental crown is the way you maintain it. Like natural teeth, dental crowns need regular attention and regular maintenance to ensure they remain in good shape. It is important to practice good dental hygiene practices like cleaning and flossing frequently and avoiding food items that could cause damage to the crown, as well as going to your dentist regularly for examinations and cleanings. Certain behaviors can affect the lifespan of the dental crown. Like grinding your teeth or clenching them could put pressure on the crown, causing it to wear faster. If you tend to grind your teeth or bite them, your dentist might suggest wearing an evening guard that protects the crown when you're sleeping. In certain situations, the dental crown could require replacement sooner than anticipated due to issues like decay or infections beneath the crown. It is for this reason that it's crucial to regularly check up with your dentist in order to assess the condition of your crown and to address any problems prior to them becoming more severe. In general, the lifespan of a dental crown may differ based on a number of elements. If you select a high-quality crown, maintaining proper oral hygiene as well as following the recommendations of your dentist to make sure that the crown stays for as long as it can. Dental crowns last from 5 to 15 years or more with the right treatment and care. If you choose a trusted dentist, maintaining the crown and fixing any problems promptly to keep your crown well maintained for many years to be. Be sure to adhere to the recommendations of your dentist and plan periodic checkups in order to assess the condition of your crown as well as keep your mouth healthy.